Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Unlimited. I'm Jonathan, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make a simple face mask using any old socks. First we need to lay the socks flat and then make a V-shaped cut. So once a V-shaped cut is made on either side, you need to cut the bottom edge. Fold them one in this and make another cut over here from the bottom halfway through. So that's basically it. You made your own simple face mask. Mask which we made. Let me show you how it looks on the face. So this is how the face mask looks like. So let me show you the side angle. So if you did like this video, please press the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button.